CRCL stock analysis and price predictions for Tuesday is circling in a group stock buy. I'm gonna be breaking all that down in this brief short 1-minute video. Ultimately, I saw the price kind of correcting down quite hard, and I myself, like with the 44,000 videos made and 5 years of experience, of seeing what's working for me and what's not. But ultimately, like, it's not gospel. Like, for me, it's very simple. I just must see the price wanting to go up and break about 177 in order for me to count this as something bullish for me to buy. Randomly buying mate will just not be happening. Very simple. I mean, I myself also got about 36 results in the Discord right there as receipts, and again, that's all documented. And especially because I began making these videos when it was 76 bucks. Was it 77? 70? Yeah, 76.98. Since then, I've been bullish a month ago, like almost 2 months ago. This dentist thing went to 300 bucks, so I'm willing to really catch this movement if it really wants to go, but I only jump on this long if the price is already going like 60 miles per hour and I just jump in. That's why this is crucial. That's why I must see a shift in a double break. So if you want to stay tuned and get my money making emails and insights, click the first link in the description. I'll see you in the next one.